Hi everyone, I have the biggest news. Have you heard that we are offering the CPC National Board Exam on the fourth day in Dallas, Texas? I am beyond the moon this morning because we just completed a series of 5 consecutive 3-day courses in Dallas where we taught Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, then turned right around on Monday morning and offered the exam right then and there on the fourth day. The past results that we've been receiving have been paramount. In an effort to make my biggest tip abundantly clear, I'm going to state it very plain. If I could have it my way, everyone would be taking the board exam on the fourth day, because in my experience, those have been the highest pass rates and highest test scores. It has been proven to be the most tactical move you can make as a prospective student of Medical Coding Academy to ensure that you pass the board exam on that first try. Now, we only offer the exam on the fourth day at the Dallas headquarters. If we are not coming to your state and you're going to have to travel anyway, or if we are coming to your state but we're still 4 hours away, then travel to Dallas, Texas. If we are coming to your area and you take the 3-day course there in a different state with us, you want to make sure that you test closer to home. Most of you will pass on the first try, just like the ones that take the test on the fourth day. However, I will say this, the biggest difference I've noticed in a person taking the test the very next day as opposed to the person waiting 2 or 3 weeks, is the amount of insecurity that can really reach down and grab a hold of you the longer that you wait to take the test. So whether you come to Dallas or we come to you, our position on testing remains the same. It is best to test immediately after the 3-day course. This interprets to, if you're not coming to Dallas, Texas, take the test the very next Saturday, 2 weeks later, at the most 3 weeks. Again, the sooner the better. Because again, we've seen the consequences of waiting too long to take the test. The thing is, we've had truck full of students tell us on Sunday night upon completion of the course, can we please take the test right now? Because if I took the test right now, I know I'd pass. All the information, all the education is so fresh on my mind. That request, coupled with the fact that I knew I had once passed a board exam in a completely different industry with no prior knowledge and no prior background after only taking a weekend course, we decided to put that theory to the test. And the results, again, have been so incredibly impressive. Not only did our pass rates on the first try increase, but the scores have been soaring in the high 80s and 90s. Just incredible. This is why we will continue to test on the fourth day here in Dallas, Texas. Also, some big news, we have negotiated rates with 2 hotels in the Dallas area, both offering highly reduced rates to Medical Coding Academy students. Send a web inquiry to receive all the details regarding those hotels. There are 2 huge airports here in the Dallas area. Well, really, one is bigger, one smaller. DFW is the larger one, and Love Field is the smaller one. I would say it's an easier commute from Love Field to the location that we're offering the test and that you will be staying at. Which is another bit of fantastic news is that we are testing it out in Dallas to offer the course where you are sleeping at. So we are going to be teaching in all of 2018 where you will be sleeping, the same location where you will be sleeping. So we're going to see how that goes for all of our travelers that are coming in from out of state. Included with a 3-day course is the acclaimed tabbing system, the pre-work, the 3-day interactive in-classroom live instruction itself, and also included with the course is the actual workbook that comes with the 3-day class, the Medical Coding Academy workbook. There are many mock exams. There are practice questions. It follows the 3-day course itself, along with test-taking strategies that are going to shock you in terms of how to beat the clock. The cherry on top is that you'll also receive an 80-hour course certificate of completion, a beautiful certificate that you'll get to take home with you immediately after completing the 3-day course. Do you have to be a member of the AAPC in order to take the test? The answer is yes. AAPC now requires you to be a member of their organization in order to purchase the exam. The membership it can fluctuate. Right now, I believe it's $160. Check the website, their website, aapc.com, for the latest and greatest news there. Are there any CEUs or CEU credits for the course, for the CPC course for Medical Coding Academy? The answer is no. CEU credits for taking the course are not available due to the fact that the CEUs won't matter or won't count until after you are board certified. So to find out more about how to attain CEUs, please call aapc.com, please see the website aapc.com or call them directly. In my opinion, the CPC exam is a prerequisite for all other credentials. Make sure that you have the CPC back behind your name before you try to take other specialty credentials with Medical Coding Academy. Where can I work as a CPC board certified coder? You can work at a doctor's office, a clinic, a freestanding medical facility, an ambulatory surgical center, a hospital, a medical insurance company, a clearinghouse. I could go on. As a matter of fact, I do go on in the 3-day class. So stay tuned there. Try your best to look past the strong rhetoric that I've used here. It's strong because I speak from a place of massive conviction. The only thing I want for you is to stop wasting your time, get into class, pass the exam on the first try, and land the job that's going to launch your future. The 3-day course is utter empowerment. We are going to jolt you with the amount of education. We're just going to blow your mind with the amount of education that you're going to receive in a 3-day course. You're going to pass your exam, and I am going to be the instructor, very willing to look you in the eye when you do it. This is why we do what we do. We make the sacrifices that are necessary to make it all happen. Because being told that you passed the board exam on the first try and being told that you got the job of your dreams, there's just nothing more gratifying to all of us here at Medical Coding Academy. The reviews you've read are living proof of real people that saw the YouTube channel, read the reviews, took the course, and passed on the first try, and got the job. So enough about what I've got to say. Let's hear from an actual student of Medical Coding Academy.
Hello, my name is Nina Freeland. I just finished the course for CPC certification with Medical Coding Academy. I just finished my exam. I really just want to say how great the experience was, how confident I felt going into this exam and coming out that I passed it. Our instructor, Mrs. Ortega, was amazing. Not only is she detailed and thorough, but she's kind. She will have the utmost patience with you in your class. Like, the patience that she exemplified was just over and beyond that I have ever seen any instructor give. So whatever you have to do, if you wanted to make an immediate career change in your life, it is worth every red cent, every single penny. Do what you have to do, put it together, get out here as soon as you possibly can, get into one of her classes, because truth be told, we don't even know how long it's going to be offered. So if you want to get into this industry and you want to be prepared and pass your exam, Medical Coding Academy is it. These are real life people. There's nothing fake, there's nothing phony. If you don't believe it, seeing is believing. Look at the reviews, look at the videos. People are not lying. Like, this is for real. So I hope you come. It's been a great experience. Thank you.
37 days after Nina traveled to Dallas to complete the 3-day course and test on the 4th day, she sent me the text message seen on the left, stating that she had begun her new career as a board-certified medical coder working at a local hospital in her hometown. Nina did not have any coding education or experience prior to taking the 3-day course. By the way, this is the case for about 80% of our attendees, and they all have success stories similar to Nina's.
Congratulations for passing the CPC exam, and thank you for sharing your story. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, friend us on Facebook, like us on LinkedIn, and follow us on Twitter. If you have any further questions at all, please don't hesitate to call the main number or send a web inquiry. We'll be talking to you soon. God bless you all.